Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to change language on Phantom Wallet. So guys, the first thing that you actually need to do is go to the App Store and download the Phantom Wallet application. Now the second thing you need to do, of course, is connect your wallet to Phantom Wallet. But guys, if you are struggling with both of these things, don't worry, you can always go to our YouTube channel where we have plenty of how to Phantom Wallet videos where you can see how you can do this. Now guys, that we got that out of the way, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see here, we have the Phantom Wallet application where we can receive, buy and send tokens. Also, you can click on manage token list to manage your tokens, which ones you want here and which one you don't. On the top left corner, we have manage accounts, preferences, security and privacy. We have active networks, address book, connected apps. We have the developer settings, help and support, and about Phantom, if you want to check out some more. Also here we have your collectibles, which are empty for me because I don't have any at the moment, but be sure when you have some, they will of course appear here. You can swap tokens here, so you can click here to do that as so, and you can put any token that you want. Also here we have your recent activity, which is of course empty for me, but be sure guys, as I said, that when you have some, they will appear again here. And here you can go and search or type a URL. You can see the sites, tokens, quests, and you can learn something more. But now guys, let's see how to change language on Phantom Wallet. Well, it's pretty simple. You just need to go and follow these few steps. So to change your language, you'll first need to reach the settings page. You can do this in the extension by clicking on the menu. So going on the top, going on the top left corner. And then you just need to go to wallet settings. When you're in the wallet settings, then you need preferences, select display and find the language. So guys, that is everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, put the notifications on. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video. Bye guys.